According to the U.S. Department of Labor, slip, trips, and falls make up the majority of general industry incidents. At UK, we follow this trend. It's probably happened to most of us, that momentary lapse in inattention that ends in a slip, trip, or fall. A stumble down a stairwell, a trip over an uneven surface, slipping on the ice. It can lead to a variety of regrettable events, ranging from a simple bruised shin to a broken bone. It's just one of the conditions and situations that set the stage for slips, trips, and falls in the workplace. One way we can prevent slip, trips, and falls is to learn what causes them and how to fix them. Here are some guidelines to recognize slip, trip, and fall hazards to help you create a safer working environment. Good housekeeping practices. Avoid stringing cords, cables, or air hoses across hallways, designated aisles, or where people walk. In office areas, avoid leaving boxes, files, or briefcases in the aisles. Encourage safe work practices such as closing file cabinet drawers after use and picking up loose items from the floor. Conduct periodic reviews for slip, trip, and fall hazards. Good housekeeping is critical. Safety and housekeeping go hand in hand. If your facility's housekeeping habits are poor, the results may be a higher incidence of employee injuries. If an organization's facilities are noticeably clean and well organized, it is a good indication that its overall safety program is effective as well. When it comes to good housekeeping, proper cord management can go a long way in managing trips and falls around the workplace. Make sure to keep all cords up and away from the floor if possible. Many desks have built-in cable management compartments, but if not, make sure you bundle up your cords neatly and secure them away from the floor. If you have any cords running along the floor access pathways or doorways, make sure to secure them by placing a rug runner, cord protector, or by taping them down. Injuries can also result from trips caused by obstacles, clutter, materials, and equipment in aisles, corridors, entranceways, and stairwells. Proper housekeeping in work and traffic areas is still the most effective control measure in avoiding the proliferation of these hazards. Keep all work areas, passageways, storerooms, and service areas clean and orderly. By keeping a generally clean work environment, you and your unit can go a long way to avoiding injuries. Our next guideline to identifying slip, trip, and fall hazards in the workplace is recognizing wet and slippery surfaces. Walking surfaces account for a significant portion of injuries reported by state agencies. Proper control measures can help reduce the incidence of slip, trips, and falls. Traction on outdoor surfaces can change considerably when weather conditions change. Those conditions can then affect indoor surfaces as moisture is tracked in by pedestrian traffic. Use moisture-absorbent mats with beveled edges in entranceways. Make sure they have backing material that will not slide on the floor. Use anti-skid adhesive tape in troublesome areas as well. Clean up small spills immediately. Display wet floor signs as needed. Contact custodial crew to clean up larger spills or use a mop and bucket if available. The most frequently reported types of surfaces where injuries occur include parking lots, sidewalks, stairways, floors in general. Be vigilant of broken steps and handrails. Make sure to keep a hold of the railing, maintaining 3 points of contact when ascending and descending the stairway. If you notice broken tiles, report it to your supervisor so they can make a work order for repairs. Cover with a rug runner to help avoid trips and falls. Poor outside surfaces can result in a number of workplace injuries. Be aware when walking around campus or university property. Keep an eye out for uneven sidewalks, construction areas with closed off or special pathways, dips in the ground. Our last guideline is proper footwear. The shoes we wear can play a big part in preventing falls. The slickness of soles and the type of heel worn can contribute to slip, trips, and falls. Employees are expected to wear footwear appropriate for the duties of their work task or outside conditions. Non-slip shoes are best for inside working conditions like kitchens. Rain boots and snow boots are appropriate for when weather conditions call for rain, snow, or ice. Steel-toe boots, which have a protective reinforcement in the toe. This protects the foot from falling objects or compression, usually combined with midsole plate to protect from punctures from below. What else can you do to prevent slip, trips, and falls? If you see something that can create a potential slip, trip, or fall, fix it, move it, or clean it up. If you cannot fix the hazard on your own, you need to report it to the supervisor or to the appropriate person so it can be addressed. For more information or to report unsafe conditions, you can contact the Office of Environmental Health and Safety or visit our website at ehs.uky.edu. Our offices are located at 252 East Maxwell Street, Lexington, Kentucky 40506, or call 859-257-9739. For more information, or if you have questions, contact Michelle Lauer at mla263@uky.edu. To report unsafe conditions through our website, go to the accident reporting box located to the right of the homepage. You will also find other helpful information on reporting work-related and campus injuries. Let's make our time at UK safe and successful.